Hey guys, Devin Smith. I'm excited to show you what we got going on today. We're coming so close to the finish line. We've got about 2 weeks left before we're hopefully opening the doors to our new office. Our design center is going to follow about a month after, where you'll actually be able to come in as a homeowner and see all the different types of things that we do as a contractor, such as the kitchen, bathroom, the flooring, the trim, the paint, all the way down from everything from A to Z. As you'll see, we got a lot of electricians on site. We're really working hard out here to put all the rest of the outlets, the fixtures, and everything in. You see the plumbers setting all the toilets, the plumbing fixtures, and these landscapers are working hard. We're so excited to show you what type of plants we've got to offer at your house. You know, we actually can install these for you. We do everything, landscaping, the railing, the electrical, the toilet, the plumbing, whatever it is, we can do it. And we're excited to give back to the community and offer those services to you, and just enjoy what you see today.